Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to employee self-service. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type employee self-service login and hit on enter right now. Now this is the link that says employer on demand. Simply open the link. Now it will ask you to enter your username and password. Simply enter your username, the password. In case you forgot the username or password, here are the buttons right here. Simply click on them, follow the prompts, and then you will again be able to gain access to your account. You also have the option to remember me. You can click on this checkbox, it's completely up to you. And if everything is okay, simply hit on this login button right here. That will guide you to your employee self-service account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you log in to your employee self-service account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.